Understanding in a deep voice, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, in a deep voice. Understanding this phrase will help you better comprehend spoken English and express yourself more vividly. So, let's dive into what it means to speak in a deep voice, and how you can use this phrase in your daily English conversations. In a deep voice refers to a type of vocal tone that is low-pitched and resonant. Think of it like the sound of a bass instrument in music. It has a rich, low, and often powerful quality. This phrase doesn't just describe the voice's pitch but also a certain gravitas or seriousness that often accompanies a deep voice. To understand better, let's look at some examples. He spoke in a deep voice, which echoed around the room. When she read the story to the children, she used a deep voice for the bear's character. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe both the physical quality of a voice and the emotional tone it conveys. It's helpful to contrast, in a deep voice, with other types of voices. For example, in a high voice, or in a soft voice. Understanding these differences can help you grasp the nuances of English descriptions of sounds and emotions. Now, how can you use this phrase in your speech? It's perfect for storytelling, describing characters in a book, or even in everyday conversation when you want to describe someone's vocal characteristics. For instance, my grandfather always tells stories in a deep voice. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, in a deep voice, and how it's used in English. Remember, language learning is all about understanding these little nuances that add color to your communication. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using phrases like this naturally in your conversations. Happy learning!